Hello everybody, Crypto Explorer here with another video covering Electroneum. Sorry. I'm doing a quick video on Electroneum, the command line wallet. This is a bit more, I would not say this is a beginner type of tutorial. Um, this We're going into the command line, so a little bit more. It's a little bit more involved. Please do this at your own risk. It is if you type incorrectly, there's possibilities that you could possibly lose everything or not have access to your wallet anymore. So this is mainly for educational purposes, and this tutorial is just so for those interested or who even just want to try it. But like I said, do it at your own risk. So first thing we do is we in my earlier video we made this paper wallet, right? So we could mine. But seeing how some of the exchanges have already started opening for Electroneum, um, there's no real easy way to access your paper wallet to send the Electroneum to an exchange. Say, for instance, if you want to trade it or sell or whatever. So what this tutorial is going to cover is how to import the keys. Now, I know I'm showing the private keys here. This to me is a throwaway wallet. I'm only going to put like one or two Electroneum in there and then send it out right through this video. So it's basically a throwaway wallet for me. If folks try to copy the keys and try to access it, that's fine. By the time they do, everything's probably gone. Anyway, so this is the public. This is the wallet that was generated in from earlier videos. So we're gonna do a couple of things. First thing we need to do is we need to copy the public wallet address. So the public wallet address are these three lines, and I have this little notepad. As you can see, I already copied it over here, but when you paste it, it comes in like this in three lines. So you wanna, oops, let's go back. You wanna put them together as one long line. So this is your Electroneum address. And if you go up here, you'll also need what they call the private seed. It's a little difficult right now. It's upside down. Let me rotate. Rotate. So here we have the private spend key and then the private view key. So we're gonna need this as well. So let's copy. And as you can see, I copied it here already, but we'll do it one more time. So it comes out in two lines as well. Whoops. So you see these are the two lines that we copied. So you need to join them together as one line. And we will also need the private view key. So here it is. Let's copy. Oops. Let's try this again. Copy. And as you can see, I did it already here, but I am going to just paste it again and show you it's in two lines, and then we got to make it one line. So we have our Electroneum address, wallet address, private spend key, private view key. Um, this is for later. So first we need to do, once we have that put aside, let us download the command line wallet. So we're going to go to this address, this GitHub, open. So in here, this is for Windows, so we're going to download here this WinX64. Looks like it's only for 64-bit systems, so if you have a 32-bit system, this probably will not work. So we're going to download it right now. So it takes about a couple minutes to download. Hopefully the network will get a bit faster. So while it is a pretty big download, it's 106 megabytes. So while it's downloading, there's a couple things I just want to go over. One, uh, this is the command that we're going to do, and there's some other commands that we want to get going before we start um, doing transactions on the command line of this wallet. Now, let's see here, 29%. Let me see if I can pause this a bit and continue on in a minute. One moment. Okay. I don't want to pause the video. Let's see here. See what else I can go over. So, oh, yeah, it's almost done. 55 seconds. So this is actually probably the quickest part. It's actually, we're also going to need to sync up with the blockchain. So, luckily, the blockchain has been only up for roughly almost 2 days now. So it shouldn't take too long to sync up. Um, but this is probably, if you're not familiar how we got the address, the this paper wallet address here, um, you may want to look at the other videos on how to generate this. But this is basically to generate um, uh, Electroneum wallet address. All right, 91%. So in that address, I've actually sent um, some Electroneum. Let me make sure that it went through first. Uh, so there we go. It's downloaded. And let us go to open folder. We're going to extract it. So I'm going to right click, extract all, extract. And then we are going to, okay, here's the folder. Now, the first thing we want to do is to start the Electroneum MD, this file here. This is going to basically get us synced up with the blockchain. So you can click run, more info, and then run anyway. And then click allow access. So let's see. Now it's starting. Okay, great. So while this syncs, I believe we can create the wallet already. So I might have to restart this again, but I'm going to start the Electroneum wallet CLI.exe. So actually, we're really not creating a wallet. We're importing the keys of the wallet that we created earlier. Let me click more info and run anyway. So, oops, I'm sorry. Let's go back. Let me close this up. Sorry, that was a way to create a new wallet. Let me go. First thing we need to do is get into the command line. So for Windows 10, you can type in the search CMD, and that'll get the command prompt. Now, what I like to do is cut and paste this directory. We need to get into the directory where this file, this application is at. So the quickest way to do it is to go to the top here, copy it. Everyone's will be different, and then paste it. So we're going to go CD for change directory, and then right click to paste and hit enter. And then we are going to enter this command here, import wallet key, and then this command right here. This is to import the wallet key. Now, this is, if you want to call it new wallet, you can call it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it, yeah, we'll leave it at new wallet, or let's just call it test. So let's copy this, select all, copy, and then let's paste it in here and hit enter. So it's going to ask what is the address. So let's go back. We got it earlier from here. Copy. Then go back and paste it by right clicking and hitting enter. Oh, I think I copied it incorrectly. 1 second. Copy. Let's try this one more time again. Import. Standard address. Just one time. See, I doubled it. That's why it was so long. Enter. And then we're going to need the secret spend key. So you guys can tell my videos are not really edited because you can see all my mistakes. So here is the spend key. Let's copy. Paste it. Hit enter. And the secret view key. Oops. Which is here. Private view, secret view, they're the same thing. Copy. Go back and paste. Now it's going to ask you to put a password. For the sake of simplicity, I'll put it here. And then to restore from the blockchain, we're just going to hit OK, enter for the default. So while that's going, you're going to see it do its basically kind of sync up, see where everything's at, get all. So let's go back to over here to see if we are synced up with the blockchain. So almost completely sync. So this will take some time. I really just suggest just let it go. It's not going to take too long. As you can see, we're already at 914 and 1,000. So I think this one we are trying to get to 5,612. So it'll take just a little bit, but hopefully it won't take too long for this, for the sake of this video. So once this is all synced and everything's ready to go, the first thing we want to do is back up the seed phrase of this wallet, so that if we ever needed to restore it, we could either restore it with the seed phrase and just to have it for whatever wallet will come out. I'm pretty sure there's going to be a more user-friendly wallet than this command line wallet, but for those who can't wait and eager to get things going, that's what this video is for. And the main reason why I went into this is because Cryptopia exchange is already going. So here we go. It is good. And if you can see, the balance is 3 Electroneum. So a couple commands you want to do first. After we're here, we want to get the seed. So we type the command seed, and then we put our wallet password that we did earlier. That was created earlier. And then depending on your language, you want to enter a number. 0 for English, it's 1, so I'm going to enter 1. And then this is the wallet seed. So I'm going to copy it and then hit Control C to copy. And then I'm going to take it to my little text file that I made here. And then I'm going to call it wallet seed and then paste it. So we want to, this is basically, this is if we ever need to put our wallet into our funds into another wallet, this is all the information we need. Now that we got that, let's do a couple commands here. One, let's see our balance. By hitting balance, typing the words balance will show you the balance. There's 3 Electroneum, and unlocked are 3. Another command we can do is show _ transfers. This will show if there's any incoming or outgoing. So right now it shows the 3 that came in earlier. Now, the next thing we want to do, now that we have access to this wallet, and say for instance you were mining earlier in one of the wallets that was created through the online wallet generator, you want to send it to exchange. So let's go to, let me get an address. So in Cryptopia, for example, when you log in, for those who use Cryptopia, let me try logging it in for here. So let's go to Cryptopia. Let me get the actual address. One moment. Cryptopia. Here we go. So here's an exchange that is already listing um, that's already listing Electroneum. So I am just going to black out here a bit. 1 second while I log in. One moment. Okay, I'm gonna log in. So let's do their CAPTCHA street signs. I know nobody can see anything. Okay, I'm gonna log in and my PIN. Okay, there's nothing much here in my Cryptopia account because I just started it today. So right now we have, oh, on black, we have Electroneum. Curious what the price is right now for this much. So now you want to say for it. So now we have this 3 Electroneum, and we want to send it to our Cryptopia account, so we can get it on the exchange. Say for instance, we just want to trade it, sell it, or whatever. So we're gonna go to deposit, and we're gonna select Electroneum. So I'll just type it in. Here we go, Electroneum. Click next, and then what it's gonna do, it's gonna give this a payment ID and a Cryptopia Electroneum address. So I'm gonna get my little uh, notepad so I can copy and paste this. So this is the address. So let's do this. The command to send is transfer, and then we're gonna put the address that we want to transfer to, which is this one, ENT. Let's just double check. Let me copy and paste them just to make sure again, and then replace this. Okay, and then the next thing we're going to do a space. So transfer space address and then space. We're going to put amount. I'm going to just put 2. And then after that, we're going to put the payment ID. Copy. Whoop, there we go. Space and then the payment ID. So this is the basic command to send funds from the command line wallet. So let's copy and paste this whole command. Actually, let me see if I can. Let me just see over here real quick. What does it say? Nope, that's not that one. That's this one. Here we go. We have unlock balance of 3. Let me see if I can try send the whole thing. Empty it out. So I'm gonna select this whole line and copy, paste it, and then hit enter. And then put our wallet password. Oh, can't pay for itself. Okay, let us send only 2. So I hit the up arrow to get the prior command. I'm going to change the number 3 to 2 and hit enter. And it's going to ask if it's 3 block backlog. So we're going to hit yes, Y for yes, and then the fee, and then Y again. And then it's been sent. So we're going to go click on, we're going to see the status of it by doing the show transfers command, show transfers, and hit enter. So it's pending. So while it's pending, let's go back to Cryptopia, let's go to deposit history. So right now, this was a prior deposit. This is not in yet. So let us see how long it takes. It shouldn't take too long since it was a 3 block backlog. So, and this is such a small amount. Normally, this will, if you have it open, it will automatically update. So you don't have to always do short transfers to get the status. It will update automatically. But there, right? Transaction, it went, it's spent. So let's check our Cryptopia account. I'm going to refresh it and see if it is here. Not yet. May take some time. But show transfers, it's done. Let's click balance. Let's type balance, I mean, to see our balance. Our balance is 0.99 and we are unable to send any more. And let's go back to the Cryptopia account and see what we got here. Nothing yet, but I'm sure given some time it should come in. But yeah, so that's just the basics of the wallet. I don't think I'm gonna wait for this. Be nice to see if it showed up, at least pending or um, actually let's give it a little bit more. I'm gonna do another refresh just to see. No, it's not here. Well, I guess I'll end the video now. This is just a brief overview on how to use the command line wallet. Like I said, use at your own risk. Be very careful, especially if you've mined a lot lately. I don't know how to import the keys from the ICO yet, because I don't know where the keys are and for the wallet. So once I'm pretty sure once all that is made available to us, they'll probably have a better wallet or web wallet that we could use. But the best thing the best thing in terms of security is to have your own wallet where you hold the keys, where it's on your computer. That'd be the most secure way. Okay, well, I'm gonna check it one last time just in case. And it's not there. Not yet. Let's see. I don't think I have anything else to add to it. But let's see if there is. I will put these. I'll put these commands in the description just to help you out. You just make sure you um, replace it with your own address, your own keys, um, and as much as I would like to have more Electroneum, I don't want you to send it to me accidentally. So, okay, well, thank you for watching. Wait, let's check one more time before I go. Oh, hey, there it is. The 2. Great. And RE9 confirmations. Okay, now I can actually sign off. Thanks for watching.